All right. Two people see a hot air balloon. This is probably not going to be realistic numbers, but that's fine. They are 2.75 miles apart. 2.75 miles apart between person A and person B. The angles of elevation are 36 degrees and 42 degrees. Angle of elevation is how much you have to lift your head. So from straight out to there, that's the angle of elevation. So for person A, the angle of elevation is right there, 36 degrees. Person B got to lift their head a little bit higher because they are closer to the hot air balloon. So they're looking straight out. They have to now look up, and that's the, I think it's at 42 degrees. Respectively tells you that that's the order you do it. You do the first person first, the second person second. All right. So to use that information, label the picture, already labeled. Determine how high above the ground the balloon is. We're going to find the height right here. That's our final answer, height. Now notice that makes a triangle right there. But in order to use this triangle to solve it, we have to know this measurement, which is across from angle A. So we'll call that side A. In order to find that side, we have to do either law of sines or law of cosines. This would be side B. We know the number down there for side C. Let's fill in some of these angles. Since this is 42 degrees to the right, continuing that straight line has to be 180 degrees. Minus 42 means this angle right there is 138. 180 minus 42. If that angle is 138, this other angle A is 36. 138 plus 36 is 174. That means the angle up there at the top of the triangle is 6 degrees. So we can use that now to set up law of sines or cosines. We know opposite information here. We know 2.75 and the 6 degree angle. So 2.75 over sine 6 degrees equals, we want to know side A. Side A over sine A, 36. Sine 36. In our calculator, we're about to type stuff in, so we better check our settings. These have degrees on them, not pi, so they are degrees. So change your calculator settings so that your angle is in degrees. And then we're going to cross multiply. Sine 36 times the 2.75. 2.75 sine 36 divided by sine of 6. That is side A that we call it. So I'm just going to save it, store alpha A, so I don't have to type it in. It's basically 15.5. Now to find H over here, we have a new triangle, a right triangle, so we can just do SOHCAHTOA. We're trying to find H, which is the height, which is opposite the angle 42. So sine opposite over hypotenuse over the 15.5. So we're taking that 15.5 or whatever it was times sine 42 to get the height. 15.5 times sine 42 to get the height. 10.3 miles. Not realistic because you die somewhere around 5 miles above the Earth because you run out of oxygen. But doesn't mean you can't solve the math for it. You just died 5 miles ago. Sorry about that.
To be fair, no one's gonna stop it.
Yeah, it would keep going. That's true.
No one's gonna stop it.
I don't know. At some point,
What do you
you
mean?
will stop. What's the point of thought?
That's true. It might stop. I don't know. Anyway.
Because it needs oxygen.
Oh, true. No fire without oxygen. Oh well.